Hey guys, let me show you how to adjust the speed limit for e-scooter M8. Step 1. Power on and turn the throttle to top speed. Do not forget to hold on the throttle. Step 2. Switch the front light on and off 3 times until you find the 5 numbers on the display to enter the system. Step 3. Turn the left direction switch on and off several times to lower the speed limit. Note: you may turn the right direction switch the same way to increase the speed limit. Final step: switch the front light on and off twice to exit the system. And now, your power off and the new speed limit has successfully settled.